this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2019 Mazda BT-50 XTR dual cab ute, stock reference number 4695. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, chrome radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags, left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror in chrome, both left hand doors appear to have no damage. There's a pair of side steps, factory chrome ones with all bolts and brackets. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Has an AMA alloy tray supplied with all bolts and brackets. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, neck and module. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror in chrome. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory Alpine touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.